Howdy who, all my stock market gamblers. Welcome today. I'm Tall Mike. It's Monday, May 10th. What do we got going on today? Well, we got the tale of two markets. We have the NASDAQ way down and the Dow Jones way up. Okay, so what is the NASDAQ? NASDAQ's all those high flyers. The high flyers are coming in. The Dow is those financial stocks. They're going higher, going higher. We got the battle of the markets. But what I want to talk today about is cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies, oh, they're so exciting. I mean, we had Elon Musk on Saturday Night Live, right? Or anyways, Dogecoin, doggy coin as I like to call it. But anyways, Elon was supposed to pump it up. Apparently the pump up didn't work too much. It came in 30%. Still running about $0.50, and I probably will get to $1 eventually. But what we're going to talk about today are the two big ones, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is taking off here. Let's take a look at the chart of Ethereum. Okay, so here we got a chart of Ethereum. Now, it is, well, not Ethereum. This is actually the Grayscale Trust. ETHE is the symbol. This is the one that I play. I jump in and out of it. Now, there were opportunities down here when it was down at the 200-day moving average. Down here around $12. Now we're up at $40. $12 to $40. That's a pretty good run in 2 months. Ethereum has really taken off. Ethereum's taken off. But I think it's overbought right here. I would be very cautious on Ethereum. I pulled out of the ETHE. I'm not in it anymore. But right here, you got the RSI, you're way above trend. The MACD way up. You're in a way overbought condition. Now, as a trader, you got to jump in and out of these things. Now, if you're a holder, you buy and you hold forever. You don't sell. Now, I don't understand the holder thing because I like to take my money and I like to spend it. That's what I like to do. But a lot of people, they just want to hold these things forever. Well, you'll probably be all right. And there's a lot of holders in the Bitcoin market. The Bitcoiners will tell you you got to buy it and you just hold it forever. Now, I don't believe in that philosophy. I am a trader, I'm a gambler, and I'm a stock market gambler. I don't believe in the buy and hold forever. I jump in, make my money, and I get out. That's just what I do. You do what you want, but that's what I do. But what I want to talk today about is this Bitcoin. GBTC is the Grayscale Trust. Now, as you notice from back here, in March, February, we've kind of just been in this sideways pattern. Now, what is that? What is it when a stock or a trust or Bitcoin itself goes in a sideways pattern? Just keeps staying. Bitcoin is between 50,000 and 60,000. 50,000, 60,000. 50,000, 60,000. Now, you can play that swing. You can play it swing, sell when it gets to 60, buy when it gets to 50. Now, that's good until it's not. It's building up energy for a much bigger move. The move will be much bigger than the 50 to 60. Now, this is going to be unpopular, but I think the move is going to be lower. Now, people say that I'm hating on Bitcoin because that's unpopular. You can't say anything bad about Bitcoin. It's like a religion to most people. They will come and they will attack you and they will say, you are so wrong. Bitcoin is going to just keep going up forever. Now, I am not against Bitcoin. I actually believe Bitcoin is going to hit 100,000, but I don't think it's going to go there right now. I think we're going to get a pullback, and I think the pullback's going to be big. I think this Grayscale Trust is going to pull back to this 50-day moving average, which is down here around 30, and that's probably where Bitcoin's going to drop to, about 30,000. 30,000 on Bitcoin. It's at, 57,000 right now? That's a big drop. That's almost 50%. You want to be careful here. Now, Bitcoin, if the GBC Trust gets above this 50-day and stays, then maybe it will run up to 100 right now. But right now, I'd be cautious here. Look, we're right below the 50-day and we're hitting resistance. We're hitting resistance. But why else do I think Bitcoin is going down? Well, I think it's going down because of the way the Bitcoin stocks are performing. Let's take a look at some of them. Okay. Now, this is Michael Saylor's company. It's called MicroStrategy. Now, Michael Saylor, I don't know. I think he's jealous of GBTC. I think he wants his company to be a Bitcoin trust. Matter of fact, he borrows money to buy Bitcoin with the company's money. Now, that's fascinating to me. And it was working for him back here. It was working gangbusters from 200 to 1,300 because he had this new strategy that he could take the company's cash and put it into Bitcoin. And it was working magic. But look at what it's done since then. Okay, since it peaked out here at 1,300, it's back down here to 600, 586 to be exact. Okay, so this is basically, well, I'd call it Bitcoin Trust 2, MSTR. It's kind of a Bitcoin trust. They keep all their cash, and they even borrow extra cash just so they can buy Bitcoin. They're a big believer in Bitcoin. But what happens if Bitcoin gets cut in half? Well, this stock's probably going to get cut in half. Now, do I think it is? No. Do I think it's going down to the 200-day moving average? Yes, I do. So I think it's going to go from 600 down here to 400. Now, I'm not saying to short it. That's not what my point is. My point is that the Bitcoin stocks are starting to go down, and I believe that the stocks will lead Bitcoin. Now look at, here's another Bitcoin company, Riot. Okay, what does Riot do? Well, they mine Bitcoin. That's it. Their company mines Bitcoin. They're a Bitcoin miner. All right, so we were up here at $70, $80, right? Okay, and once again, it's come in from $80 down here to $30. Now, do I think this is done going down? No, I think it's got another $10 to drop down here to $21. And that's probably where it's going to fall to. It's probably going to settle right on its 200-day moving average where it's going to find support. But it's going to come down when Bitcoin comes down. Now, I think these stocks that are Bitcoin stocks, they're leading the Bitcoin market lower. I really believe that. Now, here's one. I'm actually in this, and I have a small position. Now, did I buy it here when it went public? It went public, hit $430. No, I hate to buy things when they go public. I hate it. I waited till it fell below 300. I'm in it for around 280. Okay, so today we're at 270. I'm down $10 on my very small position, but I do own Coinbase. But once again, Coinbase, look at it's just gone down, and it's low. I think it's going to be a trend for Bitcoin. I think the next move in Bitcoin is going to be much lower. The Bitcoin stocks have been trending down. They're not doing well. They're telling us, here's another one. Okay, Marathon Digital Holdings, another Bitcoin sort of company. Okay, it was at 60. You can get it half off right now at 28. Now, do I think it's going lower? Yes, I think this one's going lower also. I think they're all going lower. They're going lower. Look at the Bitcoin companies, Mara, M-A-R-A, Coinbase. These are all drifting lower. Riot, these are not showing signs of life. They're just not. Okay, MicroStrategies. Tesla's another one. I forgot to put Tesla in here. Elon's got $1.5 billion of Bitcoin. Tesla's been drifting lower. Everything that has to do with Bitcoin has been coming down lower. Look, I think Bitcoin is about ready to get slammed and slammed hard. There's a big move coming because of the pent-up energy and the sideways move. 50,000 to 60,000, 50,000 to 60,000. Now, I'm not a hater of Bitcoin, and it doesn't even matter what I think about Bitcoin. Look, if I lived in the 1600s, I'd be trading tulips. Tulips would be the thing to trade because they'd be going up and down. Bitcoin going up and down. I have no idea if it's in a bubble. Is Bitcoin a bubble at 57,000? Maybe it is. I have absolutely no idea. But it doesn't matter what I think. What matters is you can make money trading this by getting in and out of it. And right now, I am out of Bitcoin. I'm out of it. I think Bitcoin's going to get slammed. I think it's going to get slammed down to $30,000. And from 57,000 down to 30,000 is a big drop. Now, I'm not hating on Bitcoin. Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin will eventually get to 100,000, especially with our government, the way they like to print money. I'm just saying be cautious right here. Bitcoin's going to get slammed. And maybe when it gets slammed, maybe it takes the stock market down with this. I think they're both very pricey, very pricey. Anyways, I'm Tall Mike. If you like this stuff, give me the thumbs up. If you really like it, punch that subscribe button. Get out there. Have a happy Monday, and we'll talk again soon. Bye-bye now.